Northway Power Washing, bringing you a commercial building soft washing job we're doing this morning in Saratoga using the new skid got here. Got our water supply hooked up to the commercial building we're doing back here. Started this job about 5 o'clock this morning before the sun came up. We already did that side over there, the entrance where the employees and customers are going to come in. Got that done before they open. Now we're working on this side here. So you can see all this organic growth. This is the north side of the building. That gutter right there is all green, as you can see. All that black stuff is organic matter starting to grow. It's not roof tar. A lot of people think it is. It will come off, as you can see, when we start soft washing this. So we've got our skid set up. Said the water supply is running in. Show you the blend manifold here. This is from Midwest Washing Equipment. They built this entire skid. I've got another video that does a complete walkthrough of it. It's their website and phone number down there if you want to check them out, see all the equipment they build. Got our water valve wide open. SH is turned to a 3% right now. We're going to hit this stucco with that. We've got the soap cranked all the way up on that first soap valve, set at a 4. We like to use it pretty thick. It keeps it from so come over here. We're actually going to start at the top on this one, just make it a little easier for the video. Some people always say start at the bottom, work your way up. Doesn't really matter if you mix the soap up thick enough, but we'll show you this stuff start to react. We'll probably let that dwell at least 10 minutes, maybe 15. This north side, this stuff's pretty thick on there. But we did that whole other side over there with this same mix. Didn't have to touch any spots up. It's looking pretty good over there. The rest of the building's not as bad. South side gets a lot of sun, obviously. I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but you can see this stuff starting to change color already. Minutes, rinse it off. Whole side will look brand new. You can see the line there, the application. We are going to use a pressure washer to rinse this. This is a 7 gallon a minute Remco pump we're applying with and through the soft wash wand. We'll turn our 5.5 gallon a minute pressure washer on with a soft wash J-rod nozzle on the end to rinse this off. And that's it. we're going to go ahead and apply to the rest of this side of this building, rinse it off. We'll come back with another video. Again, it's Northway Power Washing. We're in Saratoga Springs, New York. And this skid, this is Midwest Washing Equipments. Give them a call or check out that website. See all the equipment they build. We've had this thing in service for a couple months now. It's definitely very efficient and well built. Highly recommend it.